sign, no. You go straight. Okay? If you don't have a sign, a stop sign, you just go ahead.
You delete some of your videos na kasi uploaded naman yun.
Okay. Correct, make right. Okay, you're too wide. Okay. Don't do that, okay? Okay. You're gonna hit this line. Okay, stop there. Stop. You're too close to the first. You gotta wait. You have to wait until it's clear, because they don't have a stop sign. Get closer to the intersection to check. You gotta check if that's clear. Come on. Is it clear? Yeah. No.
Morning na let's go to the highway. Joke.
Pwede. Ayos.
Ito lang ba yun? Ito lang yung
Oo, ganyan lang siya. Kaya lang you need to, yung traffic rules ang kailangan mo malaman. So that's pretty much the basic. Try tayo ha. Check if it's clear both ways. I make a right on the next block.
I need to learn how to
Park. Slow down. Come closer. Okay, right. Point. Ito right. Or you gotta wait ka muna. No. When you make a right, when you make a turn, make sure that when you turn, you don't go past the line, okay?